So it's in place. So it's just a matter of covering it back up here now. Slide it across. They say at full moon time, the bees are more aggressive. I don't know how true that is, but as soon as I came in the April here, one or two bees came and checked me out, and of course I got a couple of stings. Anyhow, we have to move on, eh? Can't study them sting right now. I have to go now and open up that whole colony just to take out one frame of larvae and eggs. So hold on again. Okay, so I'm back again. I just took off the 3 supers, and let's go and see if we can find a nice frame. And you know, it's always important to work your bees from the back of the colony, not the front. The bees need their entrance to go in and out, and when you're going to block that entrance with your body, bees behave aggressive. Wow, look at that. Emergent brood. On the top here we have some seal honey. Okay, this is not the one we're looking for. Keep looking. And as you can see, this is a colony you cannot work by hand. You need to put on your protective gloves. Again, we have some honey on the top here.